So Glofox has really helped with the growth of JourneyFit from a revenue standpoint, from a member standpoint. But particularly what I like about Glofox was their ability to create the app. That was solid. It is the organizational piece for the members to see who's training the class and what time the class is. You know, that's a question that everybody's gonna ask. And if you don't have that pinpointed somewhere where people can reference, you're gonna get inundated with calls. That was something that bought me back time, was having the app and having them in unison. One thing about just having an app on your phone, regardless of what it does, it still gave people brand recognition when you open the phone and you look in your phone and next to your Chase mobile app, you're able to see JourneyFit. And I'm telling you, marketing and seeing the brand over and over and over is the name of the game. And they, of course, their app provided so much more, but the app was important to me.
It really impresses people. People are impressed by seeing our logo on the app. It helps us deliver a better brand experience to our customers because they can go into the app and they can see the face of the trainer who's training the class. And then also you can actually see the experience of the gym with us being able to leak YouTube videos to the app. There's a ton of features in the app that allows us to expose our brand in various ways.